You already know summer 2025. We just trying to look good naked. So you already know what that means. That means our diet, our meals need to be consistent. And that was what I'm going to show you guys what I'm making today. So I got a great deal at Smith's here. We're going to do ground turkey 93.7. Yeah, right? Yeah, 93.7. Sorry, it's been a long day at work. Just trying to get this going. So we're going to cook this tonight so then I can have it prepped for tomorrow. So when I go to work, I can already have it. Because that's one thing that eases my mind, and having me planning it ahead is my meals, so that I don't have to stress or worry about what I'm eating, in the morning or throughout the day. Having it planned out already, key. I'm telling you, key. Okay, so what we're gonna do in this recipe, you're gonna have the ground turkey. So I got 4 of them, but I'm only gonna cook 2 today. We're gonna put some garlic cloves in there. God, I can't talk right now. We're gonna put some celery sticks. We're gonna cut them up into pieces, put them on. I got some bell peppers here, essential. And then we're gonna cut up a white onion here. So that is the ingredients, so you guys can follow along, copy whatever. I'll have it down below in the description in case you guys forget. But yeah, we are gonna make something out of this. To me, when it comes to meal prepping, I like to keep it, obviously healthy. I like to season, but I like to season my stuff. That's not like people that don't like to season. I like to season my stuff because I like taste. Okay, I like taste. The whole thing about meal plans and meal prepping is making it the way you like it. Obviously keeping it healthy, but make it to where it's more enjoyable. You don't want to eat plain ass chicken, dry. I don't personally like that, and you don't have to do that when you're dieting, cutting down. It's just no, unless you're prepping for some kind of show or whatever, then yes. But no, enjoy the meal, enjoy it. If you gotta put on a little bit of sugar-free sauce, like I used to do sugar-free barbecue sauce. If you want to put that shit on, fucking do it, dude. Do whatever you want to do. Okay, this recipe, if you want to add something, take away anything, this is just a guide. And every time I cook, okay, I'm gonna tell you guys this right away. Every time you guys see a video of me cooking, use it as a guide. Make it into anything you want. You can copy it the way you want to. You can add, subtract, do whatever the fuck you want with it because it is yours. When it comes to cooking, it's an art form. You can create it the way you want, whatever you want it to be. You can take away from it and do whatever you want with it. Okay? Just do that. Okay? So that's all I gotta say. When it comes to cooking, do whatever you want. Make it the best that you can, and make it enjoyable so you can be consistent. The whole point of meal prepping and being consistent when it comes to dieting and eating, making sure you're getting your meals, is making it the way you enjoy it. Okay, so we're gonna start by, obviously, this is what I use here, olive oil. I do gotta get more. So I normally use avocado oil, but I got this one instead. And only reason because it was on sale. They're all about saving. Yeah, you gotta save, dude. Groceries are expensive right now, so you gotta save as much as you can. So what I'm gonna do here, pop this off, spray it all around. Damn, I just ran out. This is over here. Got my nap playing. Crucial when it comes to cooking. Gotta have my good playlist going. So we're only gonna use half of this. All right, so we got that. Hold on, let me turn this off. So we got that sizzling. Shake it up a little bit. We got the garlic and the white onions in there. And let that start sizzling already while I cut this. I'm only gonna use obviously half of each one, and then I'll cut up some of the celery. I feel like these are like the old mecca cooking besides garlic. Bell peppers, like those great with a lot of different dishes. And it's like top tier healthy for you. Also, when it comes to cooking and meal prepping, don't feel like you have to always constantly use ground beef or use ground turkey or use ground chicken. Change it up. Like, definitely if you get tired of it, you get sick of it, change it up. Don't be afraid to change your food up because you're tired of it, because trust me, I get sick and tired of it. Okay, so now that we have all the ingredients in there, sizzling for, now we can start seasoning the turkey. And by the time that's done, then we can apply it into the pan. You guys like my tripod here? It's here. So I'm gonna show you guys my seasoning cabinet space. So obviously we're gonna go paprika. We are gonna go garlic powder, onion powder, and I am going to do, where is it at? Damn, did I run out? No way. Oh, damn, I better have, I was gonna put that, but we'll change it up and do seasoned salt. And then we can add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, so now just let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then while I have that cooking, I like to start my rice cooker because I like to pair it with white rice. And by the time that's finished, this will be finished. So then if you're trying to eat by tonight or by once the turkey's finished, then you'll be all set. And then you can just apply the white rice and you're good to go. But I'm gonna save it for tomorrow, so just gonna wait for this to cook up. Here's the final product here. I'm telling you, it tastes so good. That is it for this video. Like I said, make it into your own, whatever cooking I do. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, anything and everything, do with confidence. Peace.